Okay guys, welcome back to my video. Okay, in this video I will give a tutorial to my configuration in this Superlab, I guess. Okay, is the what's the notes, what's the question that's or the task we must do that for in this configuration, I guess. For the first part 1 is configuration hostname in all of router and switch name as display name. Configure enable secret in all of routers and switch as Cisco. Okay, so now we will give hostname first. I will do from the switch here. Yes, enable and configuration terminal. Hostname is here. If the name is from here, I guess. As way for big letter, you must use big letter too, yeah guys. As way 4 and enable secret is Cisco. I'm sorry. That is Cisco. Okay, exit. Okay, continue. Next, enable configuration terminal. Host is here is core SW2 and secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay, connect to other device. Okay, enable conft. So host name is here is core RTR2 and enable secret is Cisco and exit. Okay, next is from here MLS again. Okay, enable configuration terminal. Host name is core SW1 and enable secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay, now from here switch, enable configuration terminal. Host is SW1 and enable secret I'm sorry, enable secret is Cisco. Exit. Okay, and next is switch here. Enable configuration terminal. Host name is SW2 and in a secret is Cisco. Okay, exit. Okay, now and router 1 here, enable configuration terminal. I'm sorry. Yes, terminal and host name is core RTR1 and enable secret is Cisco. Exit. I'm sorry. Okay, next to router 3 enable configuration terminal. Host name is core RTR3 and in a secret is Cisco. Okay, exit. Next here, CLI configuration terminal. Host is SW3 and in a secret is Cisco exit. Okay, for the first step we have do all of the task. So now in part 2 is create VLAN and set the name as deploy, configure purpose, configure via DHCP. Okay, so now we will make VLAN in here in MLS, you know. So configuration terminal, VLAN ID 10, name I will use VLAN 10, I guess, because it's here you can see big, all of the letter are big, so you must write in the CLI all of the letter are big too, I guess. Okay, exit VLAN 20, name VLAN 20. Okay, exit. So VLAN 30, name VLAN 30, exit. Okay, next. Configure purpose in all interface that connected to PC. Okay, so we can see here connected is fast Ethernet 2, 3, and what ya? Oh, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5, I guess. So you can use interface range F0/2 until 5. Okay, and spanning tree port fast. Okay, so exit. So the next is configure SVI and DHCP server in core SW2 for a VLAN set at the DNS server 2. Okay, so now we make DNS server, but before that I will make IP first in SVI. So interface VLAN 10, IP address is 1, I guess, because we must use the first IP address of each VLAN, I guess, so we must use 1, and subnet mask, don't forget. Okay, finish, exit. So interface VLAN 20, IP address is 1, 0. Okay, exit. So interface VLAN 30, IP address is I'm sorry, subnet mask, don't forget. I forget 0. Yeah, because the question asks for using subnet, but /24 is, so the subnet mask is it. So I finish. Now we make DHCP, I guess. IP DHCP pool. Name is VLAN. Big, all of the name is big, I guess, in the letter. VLAN 10. So network is 0, I guess. So use wildcard, I guess. Wildcard and I'm sorry, no. This subnet mask. I remember it is OSPF, guys. I'm sorry. Default router. I will use IP from SPI, I guess. So 10/0.1, and then a server is no. Okay, exit. Now again IP DHCP pool VLAN 20. Without spacing. Network is this. Okay, subnet mask, don't forget, and default router server. Yes. Okay, exit again, DHCP pool VLAN, sorry without spacing, 30. Network is okay, so default router, DNS server is same ya guys. All of the client will use this DNS server, guys. Exit. Okay, so okay, finish I guess. MLS finish. Oh no, we will switchport access to PC I guess. So interface F0, I'm sorry, range F0/2 until 3 I guess, because here is VLAN 10. So switchport mode access, switchport access VLAN 10. Okay, exit again, and interface range F0/3 until 3 until 4. Oh no, 4 until 5, I'm sorry. 4 until 5. Switchport mode access, switchport access VLAN under is 30 I guess. Okay, exit. Okay, now we will check the DHCP I guess in here, IP. So click the DHCP and wait first. I forget. I'm sorry guys, why this failed I guess. I will pause first. Oh no guys, it's because what's loading I guess, loading. Now you can see the DHCPs get the IP I guess. So now here desktop IP configuration DHCP, and it's get the IP I guess by automatically I guess. Okay, DHCP. Okay, good. And don't forget to trunk I guess, trunk. So interface F0/6. First is switchport trunk, I'm sorry, encapsulation. Encapsulation dot is it's important I guess. Don't forget to use this. Is trunk mode trunk. So SV trunk low VLAN 10, 20, and 30. Exit. Okay. We'll close. So now in switch, same like in okay, password is Cisco. Okay, for the first I will make VLAN first. VLAN 10, name is VLAN 10. Exit. VLAN 20, name is VLAN 20. Exit. VLAN 13, name is VLAN 30. Sorry. Exit. Okay. Now we will enter to interface 0/1 that's connected to MLS first. So let's switchport mode trunk. switchboard trunk allow VLAN 10, 20 and 30. Exit. So now to end device, so interface range F0 slash what's here, it's 3 and 2, I guess. 2 until 3. First is switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 10, I guess, and spanning 3 port face. Okay, exit. No interface range F0 slash 3 4 until 5. Switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN what's it, VLAN 20, I guess, VLAN 20, and spanning 3 port face. Exit. So and the last is interface range F0 slash 6 until 7. Switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 30, and spanning 3 is port face. Okay, exit. I forget guys to use in MLS is here is IP routing, I guess. Okay, exit. Will to okay. Now we will check the HCP is active or not. Okay, get IP. Okay, get IP. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, and the last. Okay, for switching here is finished. Okay, now we next step, that is for SW1, SW1 and SW2, I guess. Okay, so now here switching here, same, we make VLAN first in here. Cisco, I guess. I'm sorry, Cisco. Cisco. Oh, why is can? Oh, typo, I guess. I'm sorry. Not Siako, I guess. Siako, yes. Okay, I will change first, I guess. So, application terminal, enable secret is Cisco, I guess. Okay, next I will make VLAN here. 40, VLAN 40, name is VLAN 40, exit, and VLAN 50, name is VLAN 50, exit. So VLAN 60, name is VLAN 60, exit. VLAN 70, name VLAN 70, yes. Okay, exit. Now continue is to make trunking here, I guess. Interface have 0/2 switch port trunk encapsulation is dotic. Enter. So switch port mode trunk. So as with trunk allow VLAN, because here is 40, 50 and 60, so 40, 50 and 60, I guess. Okay, enter. So exit. Now in interface F0/3 switch port trunk encapsulation dotic. So switch port mode trunk. So switch port trunk allow VLAN, and here we just use two VLAN, I guess, 60 and 70, I guess. So 60 and 70. Enter. Okay, exit. So now SVI. So interface VLAN VLAN 40. IP address is 41. Then I'm sorry. Okay, 0. Exit. Interface VLAN 50. Enter IP address 1. Okay, exit. And next is interface VLAN 60. IP address is 61 0. Exit. And next interface VLAN 70. IP address is okay, I'm sorry, subnet mustn't forget. Okay, exit. And now we make the DHCP, I guess. The DHCP pool. Don't forget name is big, all the letter are big. VLAN 40. Network is okay. So default router, we will use the IP of SPI, I guess. Then a server is, then a server same with others, so 90 and 0.2. Okay, exit. And IP DHCP pool VLAN 50. Network 0. Okay, default router is 51. Then a server. Okay, exit. Now with the pool VLAN 50 finish 60 now. So network 0 default router, sorry, 60, I guess, 61. And then a server is same. Okay, exit. And the last be the DHCP pool VLAN 70. Network is okay 0. And default router. And then for SAM. Okay, enter. Exit. Yes, so no IP routing, don't forget. Okay, finish. Now in switch, I guess. From switch we trunk first, I guess, to MLS. So enable Cisco configuration terminal interface F0/1 Sysport mode, mode trunk Sysport trunk allow VLAN 40, 50 and 60. Okay, exit. Now we make VLAN first. VLAN 40, name VLAN 40. Exit. VLAN 60, 50, name VLAN 50. Exit. VLAN 60, name VLAN 60. Exit. VLAN 70, name VLAN 70. Okay, exit, I guess. Okay, now I will from VLAN 40, so from 2 and 3, I guess. And interface range 0/2 until 3. Switchport mode access, switchport access VLAN 40 and spanning tree port fast. Okay, exit. Now continue to what is 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7, I guess. 6 and 7. So interface range 0/6 until 7. It's for switch port access, switch access VLAN 60. I'm sorry, 50. 50 and spanning tree is port face, I guess. Okay, exit. Okay, and interface of 0/4 until 5. I'm sorry, range. Don't forget range if you will config more than one interface. So switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 60 and spanning tree port face. Exit. Okay, finish. No, we will check, but we'll fast first. Okay, desktop DHCP. Okay, it's get IP, I guess. Okay, right. Okay, right. 50 because VLAN 50. Yes, 50. So right. Okay, good. 50 and now in VLAN 60. Okay, good. And the last. Okay, good. Now we will configure this switch, I guess, same like before. So enable Cisco configuration terminal. First, I will make a trunk to up. So interface F0/1. Switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk low VLAN 60 and 70, I guess it's just 2 VLAN. So now we will make VLAN 60, name is VLAN 60, and exit VLAN 70, name is VLAN 70. Okay, exit. Okay, now to interface range F0/2 until 3, that is switchboard mode access, VLAN 60, and spanning tree is port fast. Exit. Again, interface range F0/4 until 5, I guess it's not connected to VLAN 70, I guess. Switchboard mode access VLAN 70, and spanning tree is port fast. Okay, exit. Okay, again we'll fast, and now we'll check, I guess. Okay, it's get, I guess. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, here finished, I guess. So now I will continue to switching here. Okay, I will close first, I guess, the cell I. Okay, next is core router 3 and switch 3, I guess, switch 3. So here, so it's stick router on stick, I guess it's little different. This I'm sorry, Cisco. So configuration terminal. For the first, I will up this root, not router but root, I guess. So interface F0/1, no shutdown. Okay, good. Yes, it's green. So exit. So now I will make sub interface F0/1.80 is for VLAN 80, I guess. So encapsulation dot IC or dot 1Q is 80, is the ID, and the IP address is here 10. Okay, exit again for VLAN 90. So subinterface 1.90. Okay, encapsulation dot tick dot 1Q 90, and IP address is 1090 and 10. Okay, finish. Now we'll make the IGP. The IGP pool is VLAN 80, network 0. Okay, 0, and default router will use the IP that in this router, I guess. So 0.1, and a server is same. I'm sorry, not 80, 9 and 2. Okay, I guess exit over. Here is just for VLAN 80, I guess, but for VLAN 90 we will make the IP manually, I guess. So okay, finish, I guess, and here finish. So now continue to switch. For the first, I will switch port I'm sorry for Cisco. Enable Cisco configuration terminal. I will use interface F0/1 that connected to router. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk low VLAN 80 and 90 I guess. Okay, exit. So now we will make VLAN first. VLAN 80. Name is VLAN 80 and exit. VLAN 90. Name is VLAN 90. Exit. So now I will make for interface that connected to PC. That is 4 under 6. Interface range F0/4 until 6. Okay, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 80 and spanning tree is port fast. Okay, exit. And for the server, that is range F0/2 until 3. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 90 and spanning tree port fast. Exit. Okay, finish I guess. Finish. For here I will take a fast, yes. Okay, we'll check here. Okay, let's get IP I guess. Next. Okay, it get IP2. Okay, right. So now in server is IP is static. What is this? Okay, for server 1 is 90.2 I guess. So two F0 default gateway is 1 and the server is itself I guess, because this server for DNS I guess. Okay, and for server 2 we will use 0.3 I guess. Okay, 3. .1 and that is the make board. Okay, 90.2. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. Now continue to okay, finish. Point-to-point addressing between routers I guess. So now we will make IP for router I guess. Here there is the IP. So I will start here. Okay, enable Cisco configuration terminal interface F from 0/0. Okay, 0/0 IP address is I'm sorry, not 10 and 13 and subnet mask is 252 I guess. Okay, I'm sorry, don't forget no shutdown I guess. No shutdown. Okay, exit. So no interface F0/1 IP address is 10 and 9. Subnet mask same /30 I guess. So 252. No shutdown. Okay, oh no, one again. Interface f1/0, IP address is 10 10 10 and 2, and subnet must same. Okay, exit. Don't forget, I guess, and I forget. No shutdown. Okay, exit. Okay, now I will do in MLS, I guess. In MLS, let's go conf terminal and what interface. Oh, 01 ya. F0/1. No switch port, I guess, because I will make this to layer 3. IP address is 10 10 and 10. 10.10 55252. Okay, no shutdown. Exit. Okay, finish MLS. And now here, same. Enable Cisco configuration terminal interface f0/1 yes, right, and 14. Okay, no switch, I guess, because we will make this to layer 3. Wow, my battery is done. I guess I will pause first and charge my battery first. Continue, I guess my battery is low. Okay, next until. Okay, now in here, no switch port, and IP address is 10 10 10 and 14. Okay, exit, I guess. Okay, now we'll next in here router 1. Yes, enable Cisco configuration terminal interface 00 0/0. IP address is 10 10 10 and 1 552, and forget no shutdown. Okay, exit, yes. And now for okay, interface f0/1. IP address is 10 10 10 and 5. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, now here enable Cisco configuration terminal interface 0/0. IP address is 10 10 10 and 6 255 254 255 and 252, and no shutdown. Okay, and finish. All of finish, I guess. Okay, next is OSPF. Configure OSPF in all of router as display in the description. Okay, we will make OSPF. I will start from here. For that, so IP interface brief. Oh, I'm sorry. And so IP interface brief. Okay. So no configuration terminal router OSPF 1. The ID is 1, but if you want to use other ID, it's no problem. Okay, network is 10 10 10 and 0. And wheel card is 00/3, and area is 0 again, but the variant is it's 4. Git same. Okay, enter. Okay, finish in here. Next, here, and so IP interface brief. Okay, configuration terminal, router, SPF. Sorry, SPF1 ya, ID, don't forget make ID, I guess. Network is 10 10 10 and 12. 3, and area is 0, and again network 12 8. I'm sorry, 8. Okay, 8 and 0 here. So finish, exit. 13, yes, 12. Okay, right. So in MLS too, I guess in MLS will make SPF2. So exit first. So but it's very and so much the interface brief. Oh, okay, configuration, router SPF1, network is 10 10 10 and 3, area is 0 again, but the IP is for SVI, I guess. SVI must make 2 10 0, and because less 24 we use 2 I'm sorry, 255. Okay, right, and area is 0 and 20 and 30. Okay, finish, exit. Okay, now in MLS here, exit. So IP interface brief, configuration terminal, router SPF1, network is 10 10 10 12 and 0 0 0 3, area is 0 again, network is for SVI, so okay, 40 and wheel card is 255 and area is 0. Okay, 40 50 and 60 and 70. Okay, good. Now finish here. Now here finish too, I guess. Yes, finish. And now here exit. So IP interface brief. Okay, configuration terminal, router SPF1, network is 10 10 10 and 4, wheel card is 0 0 and 3, area is 0, and again network for the VLAN, I guess. So 80 0, wheel card is 0 0 and 255, area is 0. Okay, and for 90, I guess. Okay, finish. Okay, for SPF is finished. Next, Next is DNS and web server, I guess. Okay, so in DNS here you can open in service and DNS. In here, turn on the DNS, and you can write as the question is agunacourse.com. So name is agunacourse.com, and type is a record. Address is 3, yes, because question 3. Okay, so click add again, but the type you can change to CNAME, yes, CNAME. CNAME record. So the name is I'm sorry, www agunacourse.com, and to agunacourse.com again. Host name is agunacourse.com. Okay, good. Let's add to it, guys. Okay, next, configure web server in server 2 is to display welcome to Aguna course, I guess. So we change to web server. It's for web server, I guess. In service http, okay, on http and dps, and for index you can click edit, and here welcome to server 1. You change to Aguna course, I guess, agunacourse.com, and save. And this already filled the same name, override yes. Okay, finish. So if you open Aguna course in a web browser, agunacourse.com, welcome to agunacourse.com, I guess. Okay, and for the last, I guess, for the last is access list, I guess. Access list, that's core router 3 proven from VLAN 10 and VLAN 60 to server, ya. Jadi so VLAN 10 and 60 is prohibit to access server, I guess. Okay, now we open router 3, config how access list, right, okay, and it's a deny, I guess, because reject, deny IP from VLAN 10 and VLAN 10, I guess. 10 0 subnet and forget this, we use subnet mask or wildcard, yes, we use wildcard, I guess. 00 into 55 and is the destination from is the source now from the destination, I guess. So the destination is server 90 and 0 and wildcard 255, I guess. Okay, now again 60, I guess, 60, and enter, and don't forget to access list 1 permit, I guess, permit to IP any. Okay, exit, and now we will put it to the root. So configuration terminal interface f0 slash 1.90 and IP access group out. So exit and finish, I guess. Now you can hear is computation is 100. So all of the tasks I have finished it. So if you want to check ping from here to server, sorry, successful. But if you ping from VLAN 10 to server, it will fail it. I guess from other two success. But if you want from VLAN 60, it's failed, and from other it's PC is success too. Yes, success. Okay, and you can open the server too from other PC, I guess. Desktop, so web server. Okay, you can open agunacourse.com, and welcome to agunacourse.com, I guess. Okay, thank you for watching in this video, and goodbye. Okay.